Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here in rainy Hilliard, Ohio, a typical American suburb near Columbus. You know, almost all cities have curbs like this, designed to connect and capture excess rainwater. But when big storms come through, flooding can overwhelm a system like this, presenting lots of environmental problems, including water pollution, as you're about to see. Unfortunately, climate change is causing some regions of the world to experience increased 100-year storm events, bringing heavier rains, flash floods, and more intense hurricanes. Because of that, community leaders are searching for water management solutions, for which the design of sustainable stormwater and wastewater infrastructure is a critical consideration.
I think stormwater is a massive issue for urban areas, also for agricultural areas, kind of regardless of land use. It's a twofold challenge. One is holding onto the water long enough to prevent things like flooding from occurring. And then the other is providing effective treatment. So thinking about how do we design these treatment systems to improve water quality before that water's discharged out to, a lake, a river, an ocean.
Advanced Drainage Systems, or ADS, is a leading manufacturer of innovative stormwater and on-site wastewater solutions.
So we believe this facility is one of a kind worldwide, right? Having all of the resources to do this type of research under one roof, right? 110,000 square feet dedicated to stormwater research and materials research for those products, making sure that we're bringing products to market that address lower carbon footprint, that look at how can you recover from storm events faster. ADS is a one-stop shop for stormwater management. We like to say we manage the life cycle of a raindrop, from capturing it in our basins, filtering sediment and debris in the filters, and then conveying it in our stormwater drainage pipe.
So we focused on how can we increasingly make a more positive impact, right? Through using more recycled material, through setting science-based targets for our greenhouse gas emissions, through really making our products work.
With over 14 billion feet of ADS pipe now in service around the world, ADS has become one of the largest recycling companies on Earth, recycling over 500 million pounds of plastic each year. This means collaborative research is needed each day at this facility, involving top experts in safeguarding our water, including Ryan Winston, a stormwater management expert and associate professor at Ohio State University.
So my research group focuses on urban stormwater management primarily. There's an amazing hydraulics lab here at this facility that's been constructed, probably top 5 in the country. Really allows them to run flows and pollutants through their different treatment systems that they're trying to optimize and understand how those systems function in the laboratory before they take them out into the real world.
Then there's Christian Blanco, assistant professor of operations management at Ohio State University. He studies how businesses and municipalities manage climate change risks.
There is a lot of urgency in addressing climate change, but there is also an existing solution. Recycling is one of the most economical responses, where we divert recycled plastics from landfill into making them into usable products and services. This creates a win-win, lengthening the life of the product and creating value, creating a stronger circular economy.
So just like Hayden Falls here in Columbus, water is necessary for life. It's the world's single most precious resource. If we don't manage it properly, it can become a destructive force. We need to build safer, more efficient stormwater systems from recyclable materials.
Recycling is a key aspect at ADS because it's a fundamental element of what we do. and really our core mission of protecting the most precious resource, which is water.
And that's really the ultimate goal, right? Is to be able to design these stormwater treatment systems so that they reduce impacts on receiving streams. We want to be able to fish, we want to be able to swim, we want to be able to drink that water, right? So I think ultimately that's the goal of my research, is to improve watershed management to the point that we get to fishable, swimmable, drinkable receiving waters across the country.
So let's hope that communities around the world, like Hilliard, develop sustainable stormwater systems sooner rather than later, before issues like water scarcity, flooding, and pollution become critical issues due to climate change. I'm John Holden. Thanks for watching.